What's up, YouTube? Today's video is how to enhance your projection and longevity of your fragrance. So number one, I say pick a layering type of scent, something a little bit lighter than your main scent. I think the perfect two options for you is a popular option. It's going to be the Essential Molecule 1, or excuse me, Eccentric Molecule 01. This one's pretty good, really works well in the heat, especially like if you live in a high temp dry area like myself. You could even burn it alone, it smells pretty good, but I notice when I combine this with certain fragrances like Prada Black, I notice that like it just pops more. I get more compliments, and I work in an office setting. Another one you could try would be Molecule 2. This one's a little bit different compared to Molecule 1. This one, as you can see, like I feel like I use more as more of a gym scent or more of a daily scent for every cologne that I have. It's more of an Ambroxan type of scent, kind of like how Sauvage smells with that hint of Ambroxan. So for this one, what really works well with the Molecule 2, as an example, would be the I believe Percival by Parmesan Molly. It works really well. I get extremely amount of compliments from that. So yeah, definitely number one, use some type of layering scent. Number two, I recommend Vaseline, especially like around like the wrist area, on the arm, whatever. Just apply that prior to you spraying your main scent, and you should notice a little bit more longevity, and mainly like longevity for that. And then lastly, take a shower. But yeah, I feel like those three things so far had helped me. So hopefully those tips help you. Comment down below what fragrances you feel I need to check out. But thank y'all for watching. Peace.